Welcome to this episode of the Political Ranch with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Efia Pokwa has weighed in on the whole conversation, the killings at the Obuasi. Now, in a Facebook post, Efia Pokwa has written these words. "Oh, my brother, Captain Smart. Did you say this on Onua TV? Why? Does Ashanti Gold have a bona fide license to operate? Or is the EPA not in charge of regulating disposal of mining waste? Then why?" Just asking. No. That is Efia Pokwa, and I read again. "Oh, my brother Captain Smart, did you say this on Onua TV? Why? Does Ashanti Gold have a bona fide license to operate? Or is the EPA not in charge of regulating disposal of mining waste? Then why?" Just asking. No. Say yewo oman na de bia yesuso nkosiasem so a ewo ni consequences we will all bear with time. That is it. We could have seen this coming long ago. And this actually could have been prevented. This could have been prevented. It's essence say, look, even the media house that has employed Captain Smart, that media house owes a duty to the Ghanaian population to ensure, say, whatever is churned out from their space, it is constructive in nature. And it is something that will not break this nation and break us apart. But as a media general, especially for Onua TV, it's as if they don't care about anything. All they care about is advert placement, getting celebrities to their channel to just come and say anything at all and go scot-free with it. That is it. As a country, you are tolerating the bakusa as a mining in na Captain Smart dear. As a Captain Smart dear, o Jimia obiantimi kanasem. Esan say, oh yeah, hey, to be. And now the nunka MPP form a China now the nunko NDC. Obian kasa. Now oye show anopa neba na dwumubia na no keka. Neba na dwumubia na okika. Afere mu hunu efrimba. Have you seen what is coming out because of irresponsible journalism? Debia yekase, if you go and study history, nations like Rwanda, just a radio station comment it led to the death of more than 100,000 people. The Rwandan genocide. Just a comment. Just one comment. And that is why Rwanda, when you go there, they are very strict with their radio and TV. Because if just one comment can lead to the killings of more than 100,000 people, then the media space is very, very, very powerful. And what say, Yenjai Kosia Biasa on coach na radio and TV say, no on Kasa. Essence our influence and confiding a chinti, our follower base or listener base. So nipa bakususa. There be allegations that cannot be substantiated. And then mushe amania ya tuye as a country. And people are surprised. Now his own friends are surprised. His own friends are surprised. And omunye production on Onua TV. Sorry, don't they go through the topics? Don't they know how to expatiate on the topics? And then I freestyle now muye. Baby Anka, that very TV by now I say you're closing it down. So Ghanaians have been reacting on social media about the post Efia Pokwa sent up. So this is coming from one very known person that we all know, Ras Mubarak. Or see, this tweet is on air spewing nonsense. This tweet is on air spewing nonsense. How does his employer absolve itself from the unfortunate events in Obuasi when their employee was on air inciting violence? Where did we go wrong? Such a character parading as a media practitioner. That is from Ras Mubarak. This is from Owusu Secretary Jonas. So all this while, you didn't know your brother is foolish? How can you incite the youth to engage in such lawlessness as a journalist? Of course, their government is in power, referring to the NDC. So whatever these idiots tell them to do, they will do. That is coming from Owusu Secretary Jonas. This is coming from Chinibua Nisegbefia. NDC won't arrest him. That is why sometimes you have to be Akufo-Addo in life to deal with people like Captain Smart. Now this is coming from Nanan Cancer. They should quickly arrest him so he can bring war into this country. He can't do this stupid journalism in any country except Ghana. More comments on Efiapokwa's post. Ado Jones Labi says, that TV station and its management are all, there's a word I can't use. That stupid guy called Captain Smart, his time will come. Same youth will rise against him. Hope he said the military is weak, and that is what the youth also thought. But brothers, you can try any of the security services, but not Ghana Armed Forces. Then uses again Captain Smart. Ajwa Ajiman Opambo said, if people like this are allowed on TV, these situations will keep happening. I would rather spend my time watching movies than watching him. Kofi Minta says, and this is other brother behind him supporting his dimwit silly Billy comment, meaning the lady who was behind. He is referring to the lady as a brother. Whatever his intentions are, only Kofi Minta knows. Alex Boache says, I know NDC want to read this nonsense from him very soon, and that is where the war between this Captain Smart and NDC will start. More comments on this. Odisheba Kwame says, I don't think Ghanaian journalists have learned something from Rwanda case. We must be careful with how we use our media space to incite violence against each other in this country. Kwao Sechi Ado says, my dear, no one can live closer to hydrogen cyanide. The odor itself will drive you away. And if it is in solid form too, if you consume 1 gram, you will die instantly. Your brother doesn't know anything about mining, yet he was referring to South Africa about something he called it cyanide. Tell him, everywhere there is mining, there is a tailing dam. Come to Takwa, where TNA Stadium was a tailing damping site. There is a place in Takwa called Cyanide. Go to Obuasi Abumpe. No one is supposed to live there, but we encroach all those areas. Go to Australia, Canada, America. They all have tailing dams. So I wonder why he was inciting the youth to enter the mine. He never knew the state of Obuasi when the mine collapsed, so I don't blame him. Boatin says, there was a time in this country where Ghana Journalists Association will call him to order or sanction the TV station. But what do we see now? He's been fooling too much, but because it was against Anado, we were all quiet. Again, more comments are coming. A lot of people are reacting because asem we know a hank of bebre. Asem a hank of bebre. Ya manipa baku we are son susa. This is Olivia. You see, this is sad. We don't use radio for this. Nanan Kwana said that he is fooling too much in this country, and we, the NDC, should be very careful dealing with him. Ernest says, Vim lady, when we say this man is not correct, they say previous government is wicked to Ghanaians, so they are fighting for Ghanaians. You see where he is heading Ghanaians to. Oh, you are. Queen says he will soon plunge the country into chaos. I don't know your code of ethics as journalists, but this definitely is below the belt. Some journalists and social media analysts in and outside this country are a word too much with authorities looking unconcerned. We all day inside la. Teo Echampon says Onua TV has no serious management in place to check this loose crap. Joshua says he will attack and insult you big time come tomorrow morning. I think media commission has to pull the brakes on Onua morning show, but I doubt if they will have the balls to do it. Kwame says that, Captain, because people are hungry, it means they must resort to violence and illegality to survive. Then the armed robber too is hungry, so allow them to come to your premises to rob you. You aren't rational here, please. And lastly, from Emmanuel Edukisidu, says, Captain has no journalistic integrity. All that he knows are insult, insinuations, and unsubstantiated allegations. He just uncouth and a cake when it comes to ethics of journalism. So those are the comments. So you see, say for once, no, both people who are in MPP and NDC are agreeing on one thing. Said the man Captain Smart must be dealt with as soon as possible. He is a threat to our democracy. He is a threat to the Fourth Republic we have. If we keep entertaining comments of this nature, no, enye yemaye. Your mind, your democracy, you've been enjoying since 1992, no, it will be at risk. As a matter of urgency, we must stand as a people and say, enough is enough, Captain Smart. Enough is enough. Say, on your phone cash here, we as a people, we must call on media commission to close on your TV down, if that is what it will require to keep Captain Smart silence. Aden. Go for your business legally. On your business legally. On your taxes. Sal taxes no na ye coin other stuff for Captain Smart. Because he's a Ghanaian, he's driving in this nation, he's enjoying privileges that all Ghanaians enjoy. We have allowed him. Ya son isusa ya pampano. Aden. On my way Captain Smart there. Onukwa na journalist. Na journalism school kwa ben okoy. Journalism school ben at Captain Smart koy. Ombe kachire. Certificate ben no. What certificate does Captain Smart have to even practice? And we've just allowed this guy. Aden. This has been the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.